Okay guys, so we are trying the Feastables thing right here. This is the chocolate knife. So let's open it. Okay guys, so this is the chocolate here. This is the Feastables on it. So let's try it.
Ay, naku, tama na yung pag kinain mo. Dapat mamaya naman eh.
Oh god, yeah. Uy, quiet ako. Na-vlog ako eh.
Mamaya wala ka nang kakainin.
Oh my god, it's tasty.